If you are moving, renovating, repainting, or replacing the flooring in your space, this quick video guide will show you how to quickly and safely disassemble your easy DIY Murphy bed so it's ready to be transported or moved to another room. Work with a helper and take your time. Remember, safety first. Have a wood clamp handy, a number 2 driver or cordless drill, a small flathead screwdriver or right-angle pick for the piston clips, a socket or wrench for the wall anchors, painter's tape, and a blanket to protect your surfaces. Step 1. Remove the mattress. Release the mattress retaining clip and lift the mattress out of the frame. Set it aside. Step 2. Remove the top front cabinet stopper. Take out the screws, typically 4 or 5, 1 1/4 inch long, and lift off the cabinet's top front stopper. Step 3. Detach wall anchors. At the top of the cabinet, remove the lag bolts or wall anchors that secure the cabinet to the wall. Step 4. Pull cabinet forward away from the wall. With your helper, slowly slide the cabinet forward about 2 feet so you have room to work behind it. Step 5. Release the pistons at the upper ends. Have your helper hold the bed handles. Using a small flat screwdriver or right-angle pick, gently pry back the metal C-clip on the upper piston end fitting, then gently pull the fitting off the upper plate bracket. Repeat on the other side. Have your helper move the bed frame slightly in and out if you need to relieve pressure off the piston connectors. Keep hands clear of pinch points. Step 6. Secure the bed frame. Once the upper piston ends are free, the frame will want to fall back into the cabinet. Do not let go of the bed frame as it can fall forward accidentally and can be very dangerous. We recommend placing a wood clamp on the cabinet sides to keep the frame from falling forward accidentally. Have your helper holding it firmly before placing the clamp on the cabinet side. Step 7. Lower the bed frame to the floor. Lay a blanket in front of the cabinet and slowly lower the frame down with your helper in a controlled motion. Step 8. Secure easy lift pistons and folding legs. Either remove the lower piston ends from their lower brackets the same way you remove the upper ends, or tape the piston bodies to the side rails so they can't swing when you move the bed frame. Step 9. Lay the bed cabinet box down. With your helper, carefully lower the cabinet box onto the floor over the bed frame. Step 10. Remove the upper and lower headers. Unscrew and remove the upper and lower headers from the cabinet sides. Place them aside. If you installed the optional kick plate, now is the time to remove as well. Step 11. Remove the cabinet top unit. Remove the 4 screws on each side that hold the cabinet top unit to the cabinet sides and lift it off. Step 12. Separate the 2 cabinet sides from the bed frame. Squeeze the retaining clips on the male pivot plates. to release the left and right cabinet sides from the bed frame. Bag the plastic washers and small parts so nothing gets lost. That's it. Your Murphy bed is fully disassembled and ready to be moved or stored away when you are ready. Keep parts labeled and taped together so reinstallation is smooth when you're ready. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Thank you for watching.